businesses that I've done and I've earned multiple streams of income from this business. That is 5 income streams from one business. Let's be honest, relying on one income stream in Nigeria is one fast route to getting broke and stressed. What if I tell you that with that your business and that your skill, you can build 3 to 5 income streams without burning out? I will tell you in this video. Welcome and welcome back to Finance with Mimi, your blog for money moves, especially if you are building wealth from ground up in Nigeria. On this channel, we talk money mindset, and making boss moves. Today, we are diving into a hot topic: how to create multiple streams of income using your business and your digital products. If you're in 9 to 5 and you are tired of your money getting finished on the 15th, or you're wondering how people are making money from different places, grab your pen. I will show you in this video. The economy is tough, but there are opportunities in 2 places. One, the opportunities in business and also in digital products like the ebook. One beauty of the digital product is that you create it once and then you earn money from it over and over again. Before I dive in properly into this video, first I will give you 3 types of income. One, we have the active income. These are money that you work for on daily basis, or maybe your salary, that's your sweat. So we have the passive income. This is the money that you get when you are sleeping, probably from dividend. Then we have the portfolio income. These are income from stocks or maybe from any other government. I told you that we have 2 places where there are opportunities when you want to make multiple streams of income in Nigeria. Number 1 place is a small business. You can start up a foodstuff business. You can sell palm oil, you can sell shea butter, you can sell garri, you can sell crayfish. These items, they are needed, they are daily needs. They are what people usually ask for. They are what people want to buy. So you can start this business. You buy from your market, you buy from the big market, or maybe you can partner with farmers. You buy these products, you come back, you package it and sell it online. Maybe you can sell on the WhatsApp, you can sell on the Instagram. Now, if you have a 9 to 5, this can be your weekend hustle. You can also start a fashion business. You can sell clothes, you can sell Ankara, you can sell shoes, you can sell wristwatches, you can sell eyeglasses. You can even mini import glasses. I have a video where I talked about mini importation. With less than 100,000 naira, you can start mini importation business. So you can earn multiple streams of income when it comes to business. Some of the businesses that I've mentioned, the foodstuff business and the Ankara business, they are businesses that I've done and I've earned multiple streams of income from this business. Another way you can earn multiple streams of income when it comes to business is offering a service. Here, you learn a particular skill and then you offer it as a service. Maybe social media management, graphic design, video editing, freelancing, event planning, rent a land. If you have a land, you can rent it out, or maybe your voice water. We also have the cleaning business. You guys, this business is actually booming. You can have up to 5 families as your clients in a month, and then maybe they are paying 50,000 naira each family. 50 times 5, that is 250,000 naira. Now you may not do the work alone. You can employ workers, maybe 3 persons, and then you are paying them 50,000 naira. Let me just use that as an example. 50,000 naira. 50 times 3, 150. 250 minus 150, 100,000 naira left for you to enjoy. So these are ways you can earn money when it comes to business. Then the second way is digital product. Now this is the sweet part. They are low cost to me with high value. Here are ways you can get started. You can have a WhatsApp group for 1,000 naira per month. Here, you teach people what you know how to do. People will pay access to get this information from you. I'm telling you that it is really profitable. So if you know how to do something, maybe you know how to do zobo, you know how to do cake, you can create a WhatsApp group. You make your advert, they pay you maybe 1,000 naira or any money that you want to charge, and then you teach them how to do this, and then you have your money left for you to enjoy. Another way to create a digital product is the ebook. You guys, this one is also very simple. I have an ebook. Some things I'm telling you, I've done it, I've experienced that. I have an ebook. So creating an ebook is one way you can also make money when it comes to digital products. Here you share your knowledge, how to do something, how to start a business with as low as 100,000 naira, how to do this. You compile them into an ebook and you make your money. You create them in Google documents, you convert them to PDF. You can sell on Silla, you can also sell on Paystack. Another way to create source of income in digital products is having an online course. Here, you record a short video of yourself teaching people how to make something. Maybe in that video, you were making soap, or maybe you were making cake. You're recording yourself as you are making that, and then you compile the video and you sell it. Another way you can also create a digital product is business plan. This is for small business owners. Now let's get to the main part: how to combine the business and the digital products into streams of income. Now let's take this as an example. You are into skin care products. Your number 1 income stream is that you sell black soap and you sell body oil. That's 1 income stream. Number 2 income stream, you write an ebook, how to make organic skincare at home. Number 2 income stream. Then number 3 income stream, you offer a training on WhatsApp on how to make skincare, or maybe how to take care of your skin. That's number 3. Then number 4, you can write your recipe on Canva. You can sell your recipe to people. That's number 4. Then number 5, you can start a YouTube channel telling people, sharing your experience when it comes to skin, telling people how to take care of their skin, different types of skin, this and that. The do's and don'ts when it comes to skin. That is what 5 income streams from one business, skincare. You can have multiple streams of income from one business. I will use myself as an example. I'm under what people eat. So when I started this business, I was doing the business. Then in 2023, I compiled an ebook on how to make money selling Zobo and other snacks. That's 2 income streams. Last year, I also offered a free training and also a paid training on how to make Zobo. 3. I also offered a free training and a paid training on how to start a foodstuff business. That is 4 income streams. I can go on and add as much as I want. Don't try to do everything at once. I started my business first, and then after a year or so, I created an ebook. So don't try to do everything at a time. Pick the one that suits your time, build on it, and then add other stream of income. Don't fall for the scheme of, oh, double your money in 7 days. There is nothing like that. If it sounds too good to be true in Nigeria, then it is a setup. In 2025, your goal should not just be how to make money alone. Your goal should be making multiple streams of income, using your skill, using that business that you are also running. Start small, stay consistent, and remember that every product that you are creating is a seed. Plant it well, and you'll be harvesting income for years. If you like this video, give it a like, drop your comment, share with someone who is still depending on salary. Drop your comments for me. Let me know how many streams of income you have and which one you'll be adding. Let's help each other grow. Subscribe for more money talk and finance tips. Till next time, keep building, keep earning, stay winning, glowing, and growing. Till I see you next time. Bye.